Hey, welcome to the 22nd video of this playlist Freelancing. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of using YouTube as a freelancer. So imagine you have already created your YouTube channel. You have created a reel. It could be a reel where you appear in person, highly recommended, or could be a reel where you showcase your services through subtitles and animated pictures and videos. And then you're placing your bids, video proposals on bids on direct freelance marketplaces. I've explained that in detail in a previous video. So you'll be advised to create different playlists on your YouTube channel. One playlist could be about your reels and services. One playlist could be about the proposals you have submitted to the freelancers on traditional freelance marketplaces. And then another playlist could be about you educating people. The best way of growing in your business is to educate people. I love this quote because it has worked magnificently well for me in the last few years. I educate people on my YouTube channel. I voice my opinion on my blog as a blogger, beingguru.com. And often, potential clients end up landing on my DM asking me about my services and my charges. So when I am creating videos on my YouTube channel, in the process, actually I am being highlighted under a spotlight as a subject matter expert. And in the end of every video, I'll be advised to give a call to action. For example, here I am about to give you a call to action. Hey, if you do not know how to create a website, here I am. Just contact me and we'll take care of everything for you. And we will put your website live in the next 3 weeks. So just giving you an example, but I'm sure you can fill in the puzzle and fit in there nicely by putting yourself in an equation. YouTube is one amazing way of not only educating people, but also gaining more business opportunities. And the best way of growing business is to educate people. Start talking about your field. Start talking about simple hacks related to your expertise. And over a period of time, you'll find out that people begin to contact you for businesses. YouTube.